Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to collect user inputs and use them using Python's built-in input function. So let's get started. Here we can see all we have to do is type in input with parentheses to use the input function. So let's run this. When we run this, in the bottom here, it's actually going to be waiting for your input. So we're going to type in hi. We're going to see that the text is in green, showing that it's actually collecting your user input. Now to submit it, you're going to press enter. And then it's going to move on with your code. So that's not helpful. Let's make it a little bit more helpful. Let's prompt the user of what you want them to do. So within the parentheses of input, you can tell your user what you want them to do. So let's run this. So this time you can see that it says type hi. So we can do that, type hi, and press enter. And there you go. All right, let's build on that a little bit more. Let's ask the user what is your favorite food and print it back to them. So let's run this. Okay, what is your favorite food? I love pizza, so I'm going to type in pizza here. And it's going to print in what I entered. And you see that back in white. Okay. So what might be even more useful is to be able to store that input in a variable so that you can use it even more. So let's try that. So here I'm going to ask the user to input their name, and I'm going to store that in a name variable, and then I'm going to print hello and their name. So let's try this. Let's run this. All right. So my name's Long, and press enter, and it says hello Long. Awesome. All right. Nice. So what else can we do? We can also collect multiple user inputs and use them together, like so. We're going to collect, this time, the first and last name, and then print hello to their first name and last name. So let's try that. So we're going to enter the first name, last name, Tai, and there you go. Hello, Long Tai. All right, that's how you use inputs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.